rocking YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor: like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so new sneaker pickup. It's been a while. I mean, probably not that long. I think since the 11s drop, I got them in a shock drop. But yeah, we in Glendale Mall right now. Just came from Foot Locker. This is where Foot Locker used to be, where this store was, Q. This is where Foot Locker used to be, but they moved Foot Locker to the second floor, and they combined the kids' Foot Locker and the men's Foot Locker, and they got rid of the women's Foot Locker that was already up there. And that was it's just one big ass store. I'm about to head out. I'm leaving the mall right now, but now it's one big ass store. I wanted to give y'all some video of it, but y'all know how stores be kind of like iffy about recording recording while you're in the store. I guess like a security breach or something like that. I don't know. But anyway, got my sneaker pickup. Been here not all day. I came here at 1 o'clock. It's like 4 o'clock right now, a little bit after 4. New drop. I wanted to get this, but everything was reserved, and not too many Foot Lockers got this shoe. So I had to wait until 5 o'clock. I was supposed to wait until 5 o'clock in order to see if I could secure the pair because it was all like reserved. Let me get out this door. It was all reserved. Luckily, I know somebody in there. Shout out to him. I ain't gonna say his name on camera. I don't want to get him in trouble, nothing like that. I mean, he didn't do nothing bad, but yeah, I came back. I went to go eat. Went to the Cheesecake Factory. Went to go eat. Had some drinks. I'm a little bit loaded right now. And he told me to come back at 5. I came back at like 4 o'clock. And he was like, hey, I was just about to text you. We have your size. Apparently, they had an extra pair. So, yeah, so that worked out. I had to wait that extra hour. So, because waiting from 4, just trying to find out something to do from 1 o'clock all the way to 5 was kind of hard. I went to go eat. I wasted like an hour and a half. I ran into an old friend there. So, I mean, it was all good. So, actually, I'm about to do the review in the car. I do the review in the car just so y'all can see it. I don't even know where I parked at. But, matter of fact, I might just do it out here. So, yeah, I'm going to find some way to post up, and I'm going to do the review right now so y'all can see my new pickup. So, give me a second. Okay, so I decided to do it right here, right outside the mall. Hopefully, it's some music playing somewhere right there. Hopefully, I don't get copyrighted, nothing like that. But I want to do it right here because I didn't want to go to the car. People see me walk to the car and be like, oh, he's leaving. Then I got to rush or whatever like that. So, anyway, shout out to Foot Locker, the heart of sneakers. Let's read this description. It reads, Air Jordan 12 Retro White Black Game Royal, size 8.5. So you know what this means? Personal pair, no reseller here. I feel like I haven't said that in a long time, even though I know I say it probably like in all my videos. But all right, let's get straight to the shoe. Here, baby in the background crying. Boom. All right. So nothing special about the box. Jordan right there. Boom. Sorry if I hit the baby. Jumpman right there on top. All right, let's get straight to the shoe. Boom. Hey, there we go. There we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Bob. All right, take these out. Post these up real quick so y'all can really see them. Boom. Put that right there. And without further ado, I don't even know the name of these. I think they call it Game Royals, if I'm not mistaken, or something like that. But we just gonna call them the Game Royals. But without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 12 Game Royals. Okay. I had to move because it was like a lot of light from the sun glare from out there. So I'm right here by my car. But anyway, these are not called the Game Royals. These are called the Blueberries. I got the name. And I got some information off of House of Heat. I'm about to give y'all that like I always do. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Let me pull it up. So it's going to be up right next to me in 3, 2, 1. It is now up. All right, so y'all can read along with me. So release date is the 18th of December, which is today. Retail price was $210. It reads, the Air Jordan 12 Blueberry will be released on December 18, 2024. Earlier reports have mistakenly labeled this upcoming release as the Wizards, inspired by a player exclusive worn by Michael Jordan during his tenure with the Washington Wizards. However, it has since been clarified that the Blueberry is in fact an alternate blue version of the OG Cherry colorway, which initially featured a white varsity red palette. This new iteration swaps the iconic red hue for a striking blue, offering a fresh take on classic design. This liberation choice to explore the Cherry moniker with a blue twist highlights Jordan Brand's continuous effort to innovate within its iconic lineup while paying homage to the past. The Blueberry version is a testament to the enduring legacy of the Air Jordan 12, promising to be a must-have for future collectors and fans alike. The Air Jordan 12 Blueberry is scheduled for December 18th release, with the design set to arrive in full family sizing and retail listed our buy now drop down menu. Okay, there goes some more pictures if you want to see some more pictures of it, but I'm gonna show y'all that right now anyway. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. All right, let's get out of here. All right, so with that being said, so like they said, excuse me, this is a play on of the Air Jordan 12 Cherry. So instead of being the red hue, it is the blue hue. I definitely like these. They said that initially people thought these was the Wizards, Air Jordan 12 were Wizards because they based on like a play exclusive, I guess, that Michael Jordan wore. I did not pay attention. Jordan was with the Wizards. LeBron was about to come. When Jordan was with the Wizards, LeBron was just about to come into the league. So my main focus was on LeBron James. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But all in all, I mean, I like this shoe, bro. Like, it's blue. I mean, that's all it is. If you know, you know. You know it's no. But this is a beautiful, beautiful blue. Got the Jumpman right there. You know. Oh, Jumpman on the tongue. Whoa, what is that? Oh my God. Look at it. Look at that defect. Look at that defect right there. Look at that. I thought his shoes was untied, but it's actually a loose stitch. A loose stitch. Wow, that's crazy. Anyway, but it doesn't matter. He's a personal pair anyway. 23 on the back. Jordan. Also, it says quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Jumpman right there. White laces. No extra laces right there in the box. Beautiful, beautiful shoe. Black part right there on the bottom. Black part up top. Jumpman. Oops. Oh. Almost dropped it. I didn't drop it. Jumpman right there. And I like the shoe. I'm not going to lie. This might be the thumbnail right here. Can we do the thumbnail right there? That's going to be the thumbnail? Let's do the thumbnail right there. That's the thumbnail. Boom. Okay. Anyway, beautiful, beautiful shoe. I like the shoe. I'm glad that I was able to get my hands, secure my pay on this. Shout out to my guy. Like I said, I don't want to say his name, but shout out to my guy for helping me secure my pay. He didn't do nothing bad. So, like, don't be like, oh, backdoor. No, he didn't do nothing. It was an extra pair, and it was first comes, first serve for the pairs that wasn't reserved. I was able to get my pair. It just happened to be my size. So, come on, bro. I'm so tired of people like, oh, people be backdooring, bro. Shut up. Relax. Anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think about the Air Jordan 12 Blueberry. Is this a cop or drop for y'all? Obviously, this is a cop for me. I like the shoe. I don't really see too many shoes in December that I'm going to get anyway. Like I said, I wanted the Legend Blues or the Columbias or whatever you call them, but I got them on the shock drop, so at the end of November. So I didn't even get them in December. So, I mean, I think this might be my only December. This might be literally my last pickup of the year of 2024. So I gotta go look and see what else is dropping this month, but this might be it. But anyway, yeah, I only gotta go. Usually, when I do these outside reviews, I say I'm gonna go back to the house and give y'all some detail, but I don't because I already gave it to y'all. So hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my Sticker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, for me, your host Tune, your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Hey, have a nice day.